Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'm going to be doing a really pretty set of cheetah print nails. And actually I just noticed that like all of the animal prints are really coming back into style. I remember like back in 2011 or 12, I think 12, I was like so into cheetah print. That was like my to-go design, and I used to do it literally on everyone. And I've noticed that it's coming back in style. It's a lot of cheetah print clothes that's coming out, or even just like animal print in general. So I was really excited to do this set because, again, like I promise y'all, this used to be my signature design. Even my walls in my old room back in 2012 were cheetah print. So yeah, but anyways, the colors that we're using today are baby pink, which is the light pink. We're using perfect black, we're using perfect white, and we're also going to be using a really pretty gray color, and I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but it's going to be on the screen in right now. That's the name of this color. And again, it's a really pretty gray, and all of them are by Madam Glam, and I'll be sure to leave the link down below so you guys can go check them out and take advantage of my promo code. So we're gonna go ahead and cure this hand, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other hand. So again, we're doing the middle fingers with bling. So I'm using the color by Color Club in the color HARP on it, and then again we're using baby pink, perfect black, perfect white, and then the gray one, which I've already showed you the name of it because I already forgot again. And then after this, we're going to cure this hand as well, and then we're going to do a second coat on both hands. Alrighty, so once we've done the 2 coats of each color, we're going to go in and draw the little spots. So I'm going to use the same 3 colors, the gray, the black, and the white. For this one, I'm going to do the gray spots. So I'm just randomly going to go in there and draw some spots. They don't have to be the same size or same shape or anything. I'm just randomly applying them on the nail. I'm using my small nail art brush. And again, this one is gray. And we're also going to be using my black and my white. So for the thumb, since it is gray, we're going to use the white gel polish. And as you can see there, she did hit her nail on the light. So I just went ahead and covered that up with the polish, and you're not going to be able to tell at the end. But again, we're just randomly doing dots all over the nails, and on the pinky we're going to do the dots gray. Alrighty, so we did the dots on all of the nails. So now we're going in with the black gel polish, and we're just going to go in and basically outline those dots. And as you can see, I'm not making the lines perfectly. I'm wiggling my brush as I go because I feel like that's what gives it a better look, to be honest. So just move your brush around as you go to outline the dots. And I'm using that same small nail art brush that I used to create the dots. And again, this is the Perfect Black, which is the gel polish by Madam Glam. It's the same one that I use on a ring finger, and I'm using that for the outline. And once I've outlined all of the gray spots, I'm just going in and doing just black spots randomly on the nail just to fill in a few of the little empty gaps in the middle. So same thing for the other ones. As you can see, I'm kind of making like little C shapes, and then sometimes I'll do like a little C with a little dot on the side, but they don't have to be perfect C's. Again, just wiggle your brush around as you go. Alrighty, so we put that hand under the light, and we're going to do the same thing on this one. And also, I do want to mention that this design can be done with any color that you want. I know back then I used to do like the nude underneath and then brown dots with the black outline, and it was so cute. I'm gonna try to find a picture. Actually no, you know what, I'm gonna show you guys the first picture of like my first ever set on my little, or maybe not the first one, but maybe like the second set I ever did on my little sister, just so you guys can see that it was some cheetah print, and that was like from back in 2012. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and finish off doing a cheetah print, and then after that we're gonna go in and do the bling on the middle finger. Okay, so before I forget, here is the picture of the set that I did back in 2012. And again, I'm pretty sure it's like one of my second or third, maybe the second set I ever did on someone else, and it was my all-time favorite, the cheetah print. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and continue finishing the cheetah print on the rest of the nails, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alrighty, so now we're going to go in and apply the bling on the middle fingers. I'm using the ZULAY nail adhesive, and y'all, it works really good for me, but I'm pretty upset because I think the same thing happened to me the last time, but I was able to open the bottle. But this time, like, I just brought out a brand new bottle, and I even tried what someone told me, and like to apply a little bit of cuticle oil around like the neck of the nail bottle. That way it wouldn't get stuck together, and I tried that, and this bottle is like literally stuck together. I'm not able to open it. I think my hand even hurts from trying to open it. I ran it under some hot water. That didn't work. So what I'm thinking about doing next is maybe getting a pair of pliers and try to like open it like that. But I hate that that always happens. I do leave the gel resin in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use it, because I know it does say that, you know, that's recommended. So I honestly don't know what to do now. I don't want my $10 to go to waste. So maybe, you know, that would be something that could be used as constructive criticism for maybe a new type of packaging, or not packaging, but like containers, because I really love the glue, but I just hate that that happens every time. And that used to happen with my Mia Secret ones as well, and those came in a little plastic bottle. So I guess, you know, it's something that's very common, but with the Mia Secret ones it didn't happen too often, but with these it always happens. But anyways, once we finish applying the bling, we're gonna go ahead and spray the nail with the Mia Secret gel resin activator, and then after that we're gonna go in and apply the Madam Glam gel top coat on all of the nails, and then we're gonna cure them for 60 seconds. I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand, applying the bling on the middle finger and then applying the top coat and curing for 60 seconds as well. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out so pretty. That color combination just turned out so pretty, and I just love it. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.